Okay, guys. I know I promised there was another unboxing video. This wasn't the one I'm expecting, but another Kickstarter. Here we go. Actually, I was half right though about it. It is a dice unboxing, just not from the Wormwood group. This is Kelsey's Robin's Nerd Supplies. We kickstarted their dice and picked up a set each. Goodness gracious, I might need to get my Kershaw sharpened. Good grief. Hashtag normally not a problem. Okay. So packing receipt, a business card. So we should have a Ridley set and a Tap Tap set. And then here, really cool dice bags. And then let's see what the dice look like. I don't know how we're gonna get those colors for you to see, but that is the green one. And of course, that's mine. I love green. And then this is my wife's crazy rainbow colors with dragons and whatnot. Okay, there you go, guys, from the Kickstarter, Robin's Nerd Supplies.